Hi everybody, how you doing? I know it's been a long time since I've been on here. I have didn't even look back to see how long. I know it's been months, probably at least 3, 4 months, maybe more since I've been on here. I know I've been not really up to much. I haven't really been crafting or doing much of anything. I'm just waiting patiently to go to my doctor, which I finally, after 5 months of waiting, this Friday, I go to see the MS neurologist and hopefully find out what's going on with my MRI and with all my symptoms and everything. So hopefully I'll have some answers coming this Friday. Let's see, what else have I haven't really been up to much. There's Caitlin. I really haven't been up to too much and just hanging out here at home with the kids and my husband. I haven't really been crafting and just really haven't had the crafting. There's JJ. Haven't really had the crafting mojo or nothing, wanting to do anything. But I'm getting it back. Yesterday, if you're my friend on Facebook, you saw that I made a couple altered composition books and cards and just kind of pushing me into wanting to craft. And I'm sitting here at my desk doing some crafting today and decided to come on here and do a video and pop in and say hi and tell you all, just give you a little small update, and I'll give you a bigger one after I come back after I go see the doctor on Friday and hopefully have some answers and what's going on. And I said this feeling it's going to lead to more tests and more tests. You know how doctors are, you got to go to more tests and more tests. So we'll see. I'm just sitting here making some little cards. I saw Eadie from Eadie Davis Lewis is her channel. I will try to link it down below if I can remember how to do it. It's been a long time. Making these little note cards. She did a quick little tutorial yesterday, and I make these little tiny cute little note cards. And so I've been sitting here making these little note cards. I haven't made too many yet. I made some of these, and I made some of these, and I made one other style. I made these with the little bicycle on them. You know, bicycle. You can just write on here what you want to write. It's just a little tiny note card. But then I'm like, okay, well, what am I gonna do with the note card? What am I gonna put it in? So I was like, well, I need a little baby envelope to put it in. So I came up with a little baby envelope. I measured and figured out a size, and I came up with a little baby envelope. So now I'm going to I made some little baby envelopes for my little baby note cards to go in, and they fit in there real good. You put it in there, they fit on in there, So now I got a little baby envelope for my little baby note card. So now when I send it to somebody or give it to somebody, got a little envelope for it. But anyway, what else has been going on? We really haven't been doing much, really. I mean, I don't know what else there is to say. Husband's been working. I've been here at home, and kids have been going to school. And well, that's a new update. Well, they've been going to school, but we have decided that next year we're going to start homeschooling. So that's going to be a new adventure. There'll be a 4th and 6th grade next year, and so next year we'll start homeschooling. I already got all the curriculum, and we already got all their books and everything. Now it's just getting all the little resources and the little few supplies we need to get, and which will be a lot less supplies than what school wants you to buy. So I'm going to start homeschooling, so that'll be interesting and fun, and kids are they're looking forward to it too, because it'll be a shorter day, because they won't be having school as long as a regular school day. It'll be, as long as it takes them to do their work, basically. So that'll be interesting, but it's just what we feel. We feel led by God that this is what He's calling us to do, is to homeschool the kids. And it's not so much about all the craziness that's going on in the schools these days. It's not so much about that, even though it is, crazy these days. And I pray for the safety of all children everywhere in all these schools these days. But it's not so much that. We had decided before all this, even the latest incident that had happened, we had already decided to homeschool the kids. It's more just that God has really put it on my heart that this is what He wants us to do, is to homeschool the kids. So we'll be homeschooling them, and they'll be getting more of a Christian education here at home. So that is the big interesting thing, and I'm trying to start watching y'all's videos. I really haven't been around watching videos or nothing, you know. I know some of you understand, you get into those slumps and you just kind of get down and you don't really do much of anything. You don't watch videos, you don't do your own thing, you just kind of blah. That's kind of how I've been for about the last 4 or 5 months, just blah. So getting turned around and getting back to my crafting and got my crafts all organized. Finally got me one of these little storage things that it seems everybody has. If you're a crafter, you have to have one of these storage things. And I got a little cart over here and got all my stuff organized, so I got more area to craft on. And so I'll get back to doing that and just getting myself busy and keeping myself busy. And I want to get back to watch. I started watching some of your videos yesterday, and I'm sorry, I'm not gonna be able to go back and watch videos because I know I'm like I said, I haven't watched videos in months. So I will start with probably your most recent videos and just go from there. And you know, I missed you all. I've missed watching your videos. I have thought about you all, and I haven't forgot you guys. I know you probably think I have. And those of you who have not abandoned my channel and took off and unsubscribed from me, I appreciate it. I appreciate you sticking in there and hanging in there and staying sub to me during this time. And I hope you stick in and stay there. I'm going to start trying to put more content out and trying to put more videos out. And now that I'm crafting, maybe start doing, you know, showing my crafts that I'm doing. Maybe start trying to do some tutorial videos. And I got a nice new phone that's got tons of storage on it because I got a nice disc in there, and I think it says with my, not disc, let me talk about disc, SD card, and I think it says it gets like 72 hours of storage. I don't need that much, but it gives me that much, so I can record on my phone a lot. And so maybe I can start doing some tutorials if I can figure out a way to maneuver my camera here, because I just have it on a selfie stick kind of stuck somewhere so that you guys can see me. So if I can figure out a way to maneuver it so you can see what I'm doing, then maybe I can start doing some tutorials and start thinking up some ideas of things to do. Maybe get back to doing my planner, and I'm sure that coming the new school year, I'll start having a school planner and things like that, and like a homeschool planner, and start getting back to decorating that. But I just wanted to pop in and give you all a little update. And I'm still here. I didn't go nowhere. Just had a little dropped away for a little bit, but I'm around. I'm not gone. And I'm slowly, gradually getting back, and I will start putting up more videos. And like I said, it's probably going to be focusing more on crafting now. I don't really have my haul videos anymore, and I don't know if I'm going to get back to doing the haul videos or not. I might. I'm not sure. I'm still up in arm. I don't know exactly what kind of videos to do. I might do haul videos. It might be more just, excuse me, more just doing crafting videos, and maybe start doing more when I'm start the homeschooling videos, things like that. I'm really not sure yet. It's things I'm thinking about, exactly what kind of content to put up. But it will definitely be crafting. How many times am I going to say crafting? It will definitely be crafting videos. So I will get around to your channels. I will get around and watch. I will try to at least leave a quick little hi on your video to let you know I was there. I did pop in and I did watch your video. Excuse me. And so you know that I was there and I am watching. So I hope you're all doing well, and I'm going to try as much as I can and as quickly as I can to catch up with each and every one of you. Once again, thank you so much for sticking around, staying sub to my channel, hanging in there with me, and not abandoning me and leaving. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I will see you all again really soon. Talk to you all again soon. Have a great week. Bye-bye.